Hey everybody, it's Kelly Hernandez. I'm doing step 2 of starting your own YouTube channel. Step 2 is gonna be about using Canva, the program I use to create my YouTube banner. We're also going to talk about what to put here in About Me section. So we're gonna work on that. Also, we're gonna work on putting the profile picture, because in my step 1 I was just putting a random picture there, but actually going to put a different one in there. What words you should put in your YouTube banner, what YouTube banners catch the eye, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's begin. I went to www.canva.com. On canva.com, it's a free website. You can just create an account and it's very straightforward. If you have any questions how to create a Canva account, you can message me, and I could also do a video on that, but it's very straightforward. So what is Canva about? Canva has a ton of templates you can choose from for cards, Facebook ads, YouTube channel art, business cards, flyers. So it has a lot of options. So here we're going to click on YouTube channel art. Here it's a blank template. Here you have templates, photos, elements, which are little stickers. You have text, different font text combinations. You can add videos, background, upload from your computer. If you lightly put the cursor on all these different images, you can see which ones are free and which ones are not free. The ones that are not free are going to have a watermark. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to create the YouTube banner. So I'm going to go to Photos. I'm going to choose Computer. And since I'm doing training videos, I thought this was very good to use a background with a computer, a desk. So there's a lot of options. Sometimes it's hard to choose. So I'm going to choose this one. Also, you're probably asking, what are the correct dimensions for YouTube banner? This is really important. Why? Because you need to make sure the YouTube banner that you're viewing on your computer, like how I am, on a tablet, or on your phone, they're all the same size. Because if it's not the correct dimensions, it could cut off your title, So we go into Google and we type in dimensions of YouTube banner. I usually copy and save one of these YouTube banners. I usually select this one. Okay, so then I go back to here and I'm going to go to Uploads. Since I already saved it to my computer, it's already here. I'm going to click it. It's going to bring it to that. I'm going to send it to the back. I'm going to make this picture much smaller. I'm going to make this picture much larger. I use the YouTube dimensions as a guide. That's why I have it. I'm going to go to the Adjust tab. I'm going to put the brightness all the way up. Why do I do this? I'm just using it as a guide, just like if you were to draw a picture and you use a stencil. Okay, so I'm going to stretch this out. I'm going to stretch this out. All right, so there we have it. All right. So since we know this is the correct dimensions, we're going to go to the back picture and we're going to crop that like this. Right here, crop it. And we're going to lock this frame so it doesn't move. So I know I have the correct dimensions. Then we're going to go to text. Here we have different font combinations. We have a heading, we have a subheading, we have a little bit of body text, how they say it, and we have different font combinations, as you can see here. According to your style and what you like, you can choose any one you want here, but for this step 2 video, I'm going to choose the cheers option. I'm going to put my title as training videos. Okay. I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit because I want this all to be on one line. For the subheading, usually right here, people usually, if you see other YouTube banners, you see people put blogs / DIYs. What is the other one? I see parenting. So for this one, I'm just going to put how-to videos. Very simple. Okay, I'm going to click outside of there just so I can center this right here. Depending where you want to put it, if you like it to the left, to the center, to the right, we're going to just put it right here. Because I'm going to show you how you can put your little Facebook icon, your Instagram icon. People usually do this so they can say like, hey, I have a Facebook, I have an Instagram account, and that really catches the eye. So we're going to go to, let's see, we're going to go to photos, and we're going to type right here, Facebook icon. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to crop this because I don't like this white around the Facebook picture. I'm going to crop it. I'm going to bring it down to this. I'm going to bring it down here. Bring this up a little bit, and I'm done. I'm going to shrink that to like that. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Now let's go to that Instagram. Instagram icon. Let's choose the first one. Let's crop that. Crop it. Let's shrink that down. Also, another thing, usually people, YouTubers, they'll put like the days they'll be on, so they also add this into the YouTube banner. But for right now, I'm just going to show you how to put the icons, and you can put your, so again for this, you're going to put text. Let's do add subheading, and we're going to put, I'm just putting like the word test just because, you know, we're just showing you how to do this. You can adjust the size also. Let's make it to, let's see, 21 is probably too small. Let's do 36. All right, so that's better. Bring it somewhat close, but not too close. And you're going to do the same thing over here. And then I usually put at. We're going to do that. Let's position that. All right, so let's fix this up. Let's position that again. Since this is just a training video, I'm just showing you the very simple steps. Later on, when we go more into the other steps, I'll fix this right up. I'll reposition it. But for right now, if you want to know how to put the icons in there for Facebook, Instagram, that's how you do it. Okay, so we're going to download this. We're going to save it onto my computer. Okay. Just seeing if everything's correct here, making sure it's saved. All right. So now I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to go here, add channel art. We're going to select a photo from your computer. Let's see if this saved. All right, so let's see. This one I created before, so I'm just going to use this one for right now. Okay, so this is one I created before. So for this one, so you can see here how it's going to look like on your desktop, your TV, even if you have a Bluetooth TV, and your mobile device. Right here on your mobile device, it's showing that it's cut off, but I promise you it is not going to be cut off. So we're going to select this, and there you go, Hernandez training. And like how I show you to put the icons, you can put those icons there. But I already had this picture saved, so I want to put it in here. Now let's go to fixing that profile picture. So I'm going to do edit. I'm going to go upload photo, pictures. I think I have it, yes. So I'm going to put my picture here. You can crop it. I think I X out of that, sorry about that. All right, here we go again. We're gonna crop this so it's just like right here. We're gonna press done. All right, so we saved that picture. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go back to my Hernandez training. Let's refresh this page. And there you go, we fixed that. All right, so now we're gonna go to our About section. And let's edit this. You see the pencil here, we're gonna edit this. So I'm going to say, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you will find how to videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is going to be very brief. I'm trying to teach everybody these steps very easily possible, the easiest way I could teach you. So this is why everything is very simple. Here you can also put check out my website. So this is where you would put that. So I am going to put my pharmacy website here. And usually I put my sponsor code in here. So I press done. Again, we will fix this out. We'll work on this on our other videos, but for right now, we're just keeping it very brief. Done. Here, if you have an email you want to use for businesses, you also can do that. So there's that. All right, so I think that's everything. I just wanted to keep this very short and simple. If you have any questions, if I'm going too fast, please let me know. Comment on this post. I will be fixing up this YouTube channel. I'll make it specifically for my training videos, for other things. So thank you for watching, everybody. And I'll be putting step 3 and 4 tomorrow. And I hope you guys have a good day.